Hi, and welcome to another one of these vlog entries. Of course, the big news this week was that Thalia's first video went live on Friday. I just want to say a massive thank you to all those who showed such great support around it. That video got a lot of likes, it got a lot of very supportive comments. The reception was just very, very positive for it, which was great to see because it is very much that positive reinforcement towards the content that she's making. So that was fantastic. Thank you all so much for that. This week's video is, of course, the Halloween special. So, if you could show me the same amount of support, that would be great for my self-esteem. Not that matters as much because it's my company and I don't actually need that much support, but it's always nice for the ego. So yeah, make sure you are giving that a like and a comment. That'd be fantastic. Aside from that, we've currently got Thalia working on a lot of stuff for Europlanet. So once we do start giving the releases for those, keep an eye out for that because a lot of the content for that she will have written as well. Her next video is going to be coming out on the 22nd of November, I think, or the 26th. Late November. It'll be coming out in late November. So keep an eye out for that one as well. But aside from that, have a very happy Halloween. Yeah, don't worry about that. Thank you very much. Please do share, like, and subscribe. And